twist it, flex it, find it, hold it. The XFlex system is the most flexible, bendable, twistable, and adaptable system ever devised to hold and store most household and electronic items. The Techdek Pro is our industrial version, specifically designed for outdoors, offices, and applications where weather or durability is a must. The Techdek Pro holds cell phones, tablets, remote controls, hobby supplies, glasses, fishing and hunting gear. Anything you need close and convenient can be held in places you never thought possible. The XFlex system was developed to conveniently hold and store items where they are needed most. Our Pro version is perfect for boating or in the shop. It works perfectly for wheelchairs and hospital beds as well. The XFlex products are a new concept in convenience and utility. Use them all over your home, workshop, patio, or the boat. You can find hundreds of uses for the Techdek Pro and the entire line of XFlex products. To order, go to www.xflexsystems.com.